Okay, so we're going to look at some more graphs. These are the graphs, they're on page 264 of your textbook. We'll run through them here. I have the English version of the textbook in front of me, so maybe your questions for the weekend will be for today and for Monday morning will be questions 6, 7 and 8 on this page. I'm just going to give you a little run through them and a little bit of advice on how to do them. So it's very important that you watch this video and not try them yourselves off the hoof because I want all correct answers coming back. Now the lines on the graph below show the lengths of two elastic strips when different weights are hung from them. What is the unstretched length of strip A? So if it's unstretched, then there must not be any weight hanging on it. So the weight is on the x-axis and the length is on the y-axis. So if there is no weight attached to it, zero weight, and we're talking about strip A, so strip A is the light blue one. It's hard to see here, but you'll be able to see it better in your book. So the unstretched length is when there is no weight attached to it. What is the extended length of B when 65 grams are hung from it? So you have to go down to this axis and find 65 and move up and see what length it gives you. So you move up until you hit strip B, because it says strip B. Move up until you hit strip B and go across and take your reading. Now be very careful to get an accurate reading. And again, I don't want you to mark your books. What weights produce the same length in both strips? So when are both strips the same length? Now that's a very obvious part on the diagram there, which they're the same length. So go to the length. Where are they the same length? What weight gives you the same length? When 50 grams is hung from both strips, what is the difference in their length? So let's look at strip A first. When 50 grams is hung from it, it gives you this length, whatever it is. So read it across. And when 50 grams is hung from strip B, it gives you, so move across to there, it gives you another length. And then you get the difference in the two lengths. So basically find out what length strip A is when 50 grams is hung on it, and find out what length strip B is when 50 grams are hung off it. So it's really that distance there that you're looking for. And by what percentage is the length of strip B increased when a weight of 25 grams is hung from it? So when 25 grams is hung from it, it extends roughly, what is that? Is that about 6 grams, would you say? Well, what was it at the start? Sorry, it's not 6. It's when 30 grams is hung from it. It's about, is it 11, 12? What was it at the start? Say 7. So if it extended, let's just say, for example, it extended by 5 and it was 7. You convert that to a percentage. Now, I'm just saying 5 over 7 here. That's not the correct figure, so it's up to you to read them properly from the graph. Now, the next one then is just a same thing, conversion graph between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now it says it's important to note that the graph does not start at 0 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit and Celsius are not directly proportional. 0 degrees Celsius is not 0 degree Fahrenheit. It's not the same as, say, kilometers and miles, where 0 miles is 0 kilometers. So Fahrenheit and Celsius are not directly proportional. So you have to express 30 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. So go to Celsius. So 30 degrees Celsius, move up and across, get your temperature in Fahrenheit. Express 50 Fahrenheit in Celsius, so go to Fahrenheit. This is the Fahrenheit scale. So move over to Fahrenheit and go down and read your Celsius. And do the same then for all of them. The last part then, use the graph to convert 4 pints to litres, 3.5 pints to litres, 1.7 pints to litres. Now I'm not expecting any great difficulty with these. Don't mark your books. They're on, as I say, page 264. In the Irish version of the textbook that you have. I will be putting up good quality pictures. I'm going to put up pictures of the questions and I'm going to put up pictures of the graphs so that maybe you can read the graphs more accurately, okay? And I want this done for Monday morning. This is your work for today, and I know we don't have maths on a Friday, but this is, so do it, start it today, get it finished for Monday morning and submit it by 9 o'clock Monday morning.